your cheap pack of potatoes. Hey, when you traveling, staying in cheap hotels and you want to eat cheap, first thing you need is probably a metal cup. Set that down, take that up, let's go ahead and get some water. Put a cup of water in there. These cheap hotels, a lot of them times they come with these little coffee pots. Take that out. You want to take that out. If you don't, stuff tastes like coffee. Pour it in there. Set your cup here. Let's start. In a few minutes, start getting some coffee. Well, get some hot water, not coffee. Looks like it's about finished. Usually when it's done, that light will go off. There you go. Now we got hot water. About a cup. Stir it up. I'll leave a little bit new. Ain't too shabby. That's how you eat for 79 cents on the road.